That's me on the porch. My name is Greg Sting. I'm a prophet artist. I paint this mural for a friend of mine. You can go on my Facebook page and you can see the completed mural. And she wrote a story about this house that she had redone. When they done a lot of work in this house, and now it's a house of prayer. I have done a couple of murals in my life, but I haven't done one in over 10 years. And I think this will be my last one. I haven't posted the pictures in a while because I have been working on this. I thought y'all might like to see what I have been doing in the past couple of weeks. And I still paint pictures. Y'all be sure to contact me and subscribe and like. All right, thank y'all so much. All right.